Hi, I'm Carl Luneck with Northshore Utility District. We are the water and sewer service providers for Kenmore, North Kirkland, parts of Bothell, and Lake Forest Park. Today we're going to talk about how to find and fix common home water leaks. Now, you're probably watching this video either because your last utility bill was really high, or you know your pipes are leaking somewhere on your property, you just don't know where. Now, Northshore Utility District can't fix your private plumbing. But what we can do is help walk you through a few steps to make it easier and more cost-effective to make repairs. Now, the first step is to find where your water meter is. It's going to be in a concrete or plastic meter box, usually near the edge of the street on one corner of your property. You may have to dig away some dirt. This is there to insulate the water meter. Lift the black lid covering the meter face. This is your meter register. This red sweep hand makes one rotation for each cubic foot of water that runs through the meter. Like a car's odometer, the digits count each cubic foot. This little blue snowflake is your leak indicator dial. Newer meters can show this digital symbol to indicate a leak. If water is running continuously somewhere on your property, you will see it right here. A small leak will cause the dial to turn slowly. For a substantial leak, the dial will spin very quickly. The leak dial won't register small drips, like from the faucet. When you suspect a leak, your next step is to determine whether it's inside or outside your home. And here's how we do that. Locate and turn off your home's shutoff valve. You'll usually find it inside your garage or in the crawl space. If you don't have one, make sure that no water is running anywhere in the home, and it's a good idea to turn off your toilet valves. Check and make sure the water is really off, then go back out and check your meter. If the dial stopped spinning, then you know that your leak is inside your home somewhere. So where should you look for inside leaks? Well, the most common home water leak is at the toilet. An on and off running toilet can add $200 extra to your monthly water bill. We recommend checking your toilets for leaks regularly and replacing older models with new, more efficient ones if you can. A good way to check your toilets for leaks is with a toilet dye test. If the color begins to pool in the bowl, you have a leak. A flapper valve might be the culprit. It's easy to replace. Just bring the old flapper with you to the hardware store to match. But what if the leak dial didn't stop spinning when you shut off your home's water? Well, that means your leak is outside, somewhere between your water meter and your home. What do you do then? Outside leaks can be a little harder to find, but here are a few steps to take to help you isolate it. Your water line will usually take the straightest path from your meter to where your water enters your home. What you're looking for is obvious water pools or areas of your lawn that are greener than others, or dark spots on otherwise dry concrete or asphalt. The closer you get to the leak, the more money you will save when you bring in a plumber to make repairs. If you feel handy and you want to tackle the repairs yourself, just remember, before you do any digging, you must call for utility locates. This is a free service. Locators won't be able to tell you where your private water or sewer lines are, but they will tell you where gas and power lines are to protect you from getting hurt or damaging property. So what if you don't find any sign of the water leak on your outside water line? Well, this is the point you'd want to hire a professional plumber to detect and repair your water leak. Many plumbers can provide both leak detection and leak repair services, which can save you money. We recommend doing your research and getting at least 3 bids. But remember, even if you have to pay for professional repairs, you will still save money in the long run. And lastly, after you've repaired your water leak, you still may be eligible to receive a credit on your water bill. Visit our website at www.nud.net/leak-adjustment to learn how to apply. Hopefully this has been helpful to get you started in finding and fixing your water leak. Here are the steps again. Find your meter. Check your leak indicator dial. Isolate to inside or outside with your inside shutoff valve. If it's inside, check your toilets first. If it's outside, walk your water line for visible signs. When making repairs, call 811 before digging. Get recommendations and estimates first. After repairs, look into the availability of adjustments on your bill. And remember, if you need help, Northshore Utility District is just a phone call away.